I'm very pleased to announce support of $61,500 to put the Boyle Street community's winter warming bus back on the road, funding the remainder of the bus's annual operating budget.
This is a fantastic day. Talk about an early Christmas present for our community. This is wonderful. When we realized at the beginning of winter that we wouldn't have a winter warming van, we were really concerned because last year 1,300 individuals accessed this van, and it serves some of the most vulnerable folk in our city, people who are living rough and living on the streets, and helps them access services and get into shelters. And we were really concerned for those 1,300 people, and it might be even more this year, that they would be without this vital service. So the fact that the Royal Alexandra Foundation has stepped up with this incredibly generous donation is wonderful, really. It's changed it for us and now allows us to get this on the road very rapidly. We've already started advertising for people to operate it. And as a consequence, a lot of people are going to have an easier and safer Christmas thanks to this incredibly generous donation.
I really do think that the work that Boyle Street does saves lives, and also perhaps those that do end up at emergency aren't as serious as they otherwise would have been. So it's fantastic, and I do think it is a partnership that's really important for our sectors to look at more closely, the integration of health and social services agencies in the city, which we're seeing more and more of, to be able to collaborate and cooperate. As Julian had pointed out, his clients are often our patients and vice versa, and so working together, I do think we see much better outcomes for these individuals.